Once you're done with the audit, you need to monitor your position as well as those of your competitors on the search engine. And to do this, you need to set up a rank tracking campaign. So we'll go to the left-hand side navigation bar and go to SEO Rank Tracking Campaign. And then we get redirected to this page here where we will learn how to set up our campaign. So first we click on New, Set Up Campaign. And then we get redirected to something similar to the audit page, but it looks like this. The first thing we do is select the search engines that we want to track. We have some default ones, but you can also select whichever ones you want here. You can choose the URL from here and then just enter it right there. So that's the one that we're going to go for. You can classify the project or label it or name it, or you could even put it under a group for better organization, especially if you have multiple ongoing projects at the same time. This will just help with your organization. But if you don't have a group, you can leave it under unclassified. The project type, as we've mentioned before, you could choose between a simple or competitive project. So the simple project scans the first 10 pages of your selected search engines and only collects your position on them. The competitive project, on the other hand, which I recommend, collects yours as well as your competitors' positions on the first 3 pages of the search engine selected. So it's a lot more detailed and gives you a lot more context. So let's go with that for this example. Here we have the universal search results, which we also track on the Myposeo platform. You can select the people always ask, and depending on your industry, you could go for jobs or recipes. You can add the keywords in here manually and then choose the selected fields, or you can go to a group, name it, add the keywords in, and then add the selected fields. You can even add a search engine if you would like, or another group. For a CSV file, this is mainly to import a large number of keywords. So what you can do is download an example file and then follow the format as indicated here. It's pretty self-explanatory, so you can just input it as indicated and then upload the file by clicking on Upload CSV File there. From the Other Tool tab, you can directly import keywords that exist on a different Myposeo module, so you can select it from here. So let's go for SEO audit, and then you choose a project from where you want to import the keywords from. So for this, we'll choose Hugo Boss. Then we click on Next. You then get redirected to this page where you can synchronize your Myposeo account to Google Analytics, Search Console, or Majestic for your backlinks. You can either do that now or do it at a different time. Then we go to Create and go to the project, and that is how we set up our rank tracking campaign. Once this is set up, the next step will be to add competitors that I will show you how to do in the next video.